Jota Machinery brand story, focused on quality, trusted by customers. Jota Machinery was founded to solve a common problem in the slitting and rewinding industry. Machines were not automated enough and often couldn't handle materials properly. In 2010, many machines on the market claimed to work with all kinds of materials. But in fact, most of them were not well tested. They lacked accuracy, caused production issues, and wasted time and material. We decided to take a different path. At Jota, we believe that every material is different and needs a machine that fits it. We carefully study the features of each material, like its tension, thickness, and surface, and design machines that work best with it. We don't believe in one machine fits all. We believe in doing things right for each customer. Some may say our machines are more expensive. But what we offer is not just a machine, we offer real value. That value comes from our hard work in research, development, and testing. Every machine is built with care and attention to detail. We put in great effort, sometimes even say we put our heart into it, to make sure our machines are reliable, stable, and made for long-term use. We are proud to say, when you choose Jota, you are not only buying equipment, you are buying peace of mind. From a small company to an international brand, Jota Machinery has grown step by step through over 20 years of effort, learning, and improvement. We've faced challenges, but we've never stopped improving. That's how we earn the trust of customers from all over the world. Looking ahead, we will continue to focus on quality, innovation, and helping our clients succeed in their roll-to-roll paper business.